Imagine being able to invest in hundreds of companies with a single purchase. Instead of trying to pick the next big stock, you could instantly own a piece of an entire market sector or even the whole stock market. That is exactly what exchange-traded funds allow investors to do. For millions of beginners, ETFs have become one of the easiest and most popular ways to start investing. Welcome to Business Training Media, your on-demand platform for business skills, entrepreneurship, and career growth. Today, we are going to break down what an ETF is, how it works, and why so many investors use them as a simple strategy for building long-term wealth. In this video, you will learn what an ETF actually is, how ETFs work in the stock market, why ETFs are popular with beginner investors, and the potential advantages and risks of investing in ETFs. By the end of this video, you will understand why ETFs have become one of the most widely used investment tools in modern finance. Let us start with the basics. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. An ETF is a type of investment fund that holds a collection of assets such as stocks, bonds, or other investments. Instead of buying each asset individually, you buy one ETF that contains many of them. Think of an ETF like a basket. Inside that basket could be dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of different investments. When you buy a share of the ETF, you own a small portion of everything inside that basket. One of the biggest reasons ETFs are so popular is diversification. Diversification simply means spreading your money across many investments instead of putting it all into one company. This reduces risk because the performance of your investment does not depend on just one stock. For example, imagine you bought stock in a single company and that company struggled financially. Your investment could lose significant value. But if you owned an ETF that contained hundreds of companies, the performance of one company would have much less impact on your overall investment. Now let us talk about how ETFs actually trade. Unlike traditional mutual funds that are priced once per day, ETFs trade on stock exchanges throughout the day just like regular stocks. This means investors can buy and sell ETF shares during market hours at market prices. This structure makes ETFs flexible and accessible for investors. If you have ever bought or sold a stock through a brokerage account, buying an ETF works the same way. Another key feature of many ETFs is that they track an index. An index represents a group of companies that reflect a specific market or sector. For example, some ETFs track large groups of companies within the overall stock market. When you buy an ETF that tracks an index, your investment mirrors the performance of that group of companies rather than relying on the success of a single business. There are also different types of ETFs designed for different investment goals. Some ETFs track the overall stock market. Others focus on specific industries such as technology, healthcare, or energy. Some ETFs invest in bonds, international markets, commodities, and even real estate. Because of this variety, ETFs allow investors to build a diversified portfolio with relatively few investments. Another reason ETFs are popular is cost efficiency. Many ETFs have lower management fees compared to actively managed investment funds. Lower costs mean investors keep more of their returns over time. However, it is also important to understand that ETFs are not risk-free. Because ETFs contain market investments like stocks or bonds, their value can go up or down depending on market conditions. If the overall market declines, ETFs that track those markets can also lose value. This is why long-term investing strategies often focus on patience and consistency, rather than trying to predict short-term market movements. For many investors, ETFs provide a simple entry point into the world of investing. They offer diversification, accessibility, and flexibility, which makes them a useful tool for building a long-term investment strategy. Understanding how ETFs work is an important step in developing financial literacy and making informed investment decisions. If you want to continue learning about investing, entrepreneurship, and business skills, we have selected some recommended courses in the description that can help you build your knowledge and confidence. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. And check out our next video, where we continue to break down important investing concepts in simple, practical ways. Thanks for watching.